students. Today we are going to start with the pharmaceutical jurisprudence. So, pharmaceutical jurisprudence deals with the study of the laws, the different laws that are made by the government. So, there are various laws which are in your syllabus and which we will be studying. Some of the examples are the Pharmacy Act, the Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act and Rules, Medicinal and Toilet Preparations, its Act and Rules, Drug and Cosmetic Act and rules thereafter, Drug and Medical Remedies Act, Shop and Establishment Act, the Poison Act, the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, Insecticides Act, etc. So, before starting, we will be discussing the basic definitions. So, first of all, the term addict, it means a person addicted to any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance. Advertisements, these are the notices, circulars, labels, wrappers, and other documents and announcements made orally or by producing or transmitting light, sound, or smoke. Animals, prevention of cruelty to animals. You can't be cruel to animals. All species except man and birds. The Insecticide Act, Animal Insecticide Act. Animals useful to man including fish, fowls, and such wildlife which may be as specified. Cannabis is the charas, the resin in the crude or purified state obtained from the cannabis plant, including concentrated preparation and resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish, ganja, or any mixture with or without neutral materials, and any of the above or any drink prepared from them. Chemist and druggist, the premises licensed for the sale of the drugs which have a qualified person but wherein drugs are not compounded. That is, the drugs are not manufactured but they are just meant for the sale of the drugs. Coca derivative, cocaine, that is the methyl ester of benzoyl ecgonine and its source ecgonine and all its derivatives from which it has been recovered. Crude cocaine, that is any extract of the coca leaf which can be directly or indirectly used for manufacturing of the cocaine and all the preparation containing more than 0.1% cocaine. Coca leaf of any plant of genus Idrozyron excepting those from which cocaine, iguanodine, and iguanodine alkaloids have been removed, or any mixture with or without neutral material containing more than 0.1% cocaine. Competent person, a person authorized to supervise repacking of the drugs, should be having diploma in pharmacy, registered pharmacist, or have passed intermediate examination with chemistry as a principal subject, or a matriculation examination with 4 years of experience in repacking, manufacturing, and dispensing of the drugs. Cosmetics, articles meant to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled, sprayed on any part of the body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance. Cosmetic branded, cosmetics containing color other than those prescribed or not labeled in the prescribed manner or making false and misleading claims. Cosmetics spurious, cosmetics which are imitation or substitute for other cosmetics or resemble in deceptive manner or imported under the name of other cosmetics or bear names of fictitious manufacturers which are not the true manufacturers. Drugs, allopathic substances and specified devices meant for treatment, mitigation, prevention of the disease or disorder in the human being or animals, whether for external or internal use, including insect repellents and materials used as components of the drug substances. Drugs under Magical Remedies, Objectionable Advertisement Act, substances intended for diagnosis, cure, mitigation, prevention, or treatment of the disease in human beings or animals, or for altering structure or function of any of the body part, human being, animal, except animals. Drugs, Ayurvedic, Siddha, and Unani drugs for internal, external use, diagnosis, in treatment, mitigation, or prevention of disease or disorder in human beings, animals, and prepared exclusively according to the method or the material used. So this was the basic definition for the today's lecture. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you.